Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the lock on luggage. Start by finding the lock type and locating the dial or reset pin. Have your current code ready. If the lock uses a pinhole, use a small tool to press while turning the dials to your new numbers. Test the new code several times before closing the suitcase and store the code somewhere secure. With a dial lock, first confirm the existing combination is showing on the dials. Engage the lock's reset mechanism by pressing a button or pulling the shackle. Keep pressure while you set your new digits. Turn each dial deliberately to your chosen numbers, then exit programming mode by releasing the reset and securing the shackle. Always test the new combination multiple times to ensure it opens smoothly before travel. If your lock is TSA approved, remember officials can open it with a master key for inspections. For digital locks, wake the unit, enter programming mode, and follow the manufacturer steps to set a numeric combination. Always note the new code and monitor battery life to prevent getting stuck overseas. If you lose access, contact the luggage maker for reset instructions or visit a locksmith for help with non-TSA mechanical locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.